You ever wonder what is a single pole, single throw relay and how it works? Well, let's tear this one apart and find out. Many different types of relays are found on an HVAC system, and they are used to control many different components. For example, this one actually uses 24 volts to power an electromagnet that we call a coil to close a switch. Single throw refers to the path that circuit can take. For example, this is a normally open switch, meaning that when it has power to it, that switch actually closes. On this relay, it actually uses numbers to indicate what's the function of each terminal. And there you have it. That's what's inside this relay.